All right, so in this video, I want to show you how to use the scanner that is located in Mrs. Gilbert's room. The first thing you're going to want to do is get logged into that Mac computer that it's connected to, which you can do so just using your Google username and password. But once you get in, unfortunately, the scanning software does not appear on the dock. So you do have to search for it by coming up to the spotlight, which is this little magnifying glass, and typing in Epson Scan 2. And then you'll want to choose the Epson Scan 2 option. These two will not help you, so just grab the one that's marked as Epson Scan 2. If you get an error, it's probably because the scanner is not turned on, so make sure that you go ahead and push the on button and then try it again. A lot of these options are probably set by default, but I'll go through them just in case. We want our document source to be scanner glass. The other option is transparency unit, which we would be using if we were scanning something transparent. Document type is reflective. As you can see, the only other options relate to film. For image type, we want 48-bit color. For resolution, we would like 300 dpi, and scanning quality is high. Okay, you can certainly get higher resolutions if you want, but of course, your scanning time will get longer and longer and longer the better quality you want. Down here, we want to make sure that our files are JPEGs. We can change what we want to name it there, but we can also just rename it after it's been scanned. And my last piece of advice would just be to make sure that the folder is set to the desktop. If it's set to pictures or documents, you may actually have a kind of a difficult time finding them. So we'll stick with the desktop for this. And then we want to go ahead and click Preview. That will do a preview scan, which will happen pretty quickly. And then it'll open up a preview of what we're going to scan over here. Now we get the opportunity to crop. So we clearly don't need to scan all this white space. And if we bring our mouse over the document, it will turn to this crosshair, and we can click and drag a cropping window over the work of art itself. If I scanned everything, I would just have to crop it afterwards anyway, and it would take longer. So once I've got my crop window set, I can press Scan, and then it will begin scanning the work of art. And if you've chosen desktop as the output folder for the scan, then when it is finished, you will see the JPEG for that scan pop up on the desktop, where you can put it on a flash drive or upload it to Google Drive or put it wherever you need it to be.